Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to delete a channel on Telegram. Maybe you've created a channel for a project that's now complete, or you just want to clean things up. Whatever the reason, deleting a Telegram channel is quick and easy, and I'll walk you through each step so you don't miss anything. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account that owns the channel you'd like to delete. Once the app is open, navigate to your channel by tapping on its name from your chat list. Now, when you're inside your channel, look at the top of the screen and tap the channel name again. This will open the channel profile, where you'll find all the details and management options for that channel. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a small pencil icon. Tap that icon to enter the editing mode for your channel. This section lets you change your channel name, picture, description, and more, but in this case, we're here to remove it entirely. Scroll down until you see the option that says Delete Channel. It's usually near the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap that. Telegram will now ask you to confirm your decision, just to make sure you really want to do this. Deleting a channel is permanent, which means all your messages, subscribers, and shared media will be removed. If you're sure you want to continue, tap Delete Channel one more time to confirm, and that's it. You've successfully deleted your Telegram channel. It's gone for good, and your subscribers will no longer be able to access it. If you ever change your mind, you'll need to create a new channel from scratch. Thanks for watching.